Hey, and welcome to App Inventor Playground. Today I want to show you how you can make your own cool class app. This app is based on Sway and App Inventor. App Inventor will be your front end and Sway will be your back end. So you are going to build an app that is quite stationary, and the backend built in Sway, which is free from Microsoft, will be the place where you put in your images, videos, link to whatever you have online. So this will be a highly scalable and dynamic app. Let's see. To the left we have some pictures. I have placed an MP4 video and an icon. In the center we have App Inventor and we have Sway. To the right we have a phone, and I will show you an example of this app that we are going to produce ourselves. This is the startup icon, and this is Sway. So what you see here that is running on the phone right now, that is what you are going to build yourself in a moment. This is quite awesome looking, and if you don't like this setup, these colors, then it is totally up to you to build whatever you like. As you can see, we have a picture, we have some pictures grouped together, and when I hit this, they will switch. This heart is an animated GIF. You have some pictures down here. Hey, here we have a video. Let's try to start that up. As you can see, it's running nice and smooth. Okay, this is the app that we are going to do today, and I will say 5-7 minutes you are ready to build your own. Let's go back to the start and just close this. Okie dokie. First of all, we need to fire up a new project. Let's call that my cool class. Okay, and we need to connect our phone with App Inventor. So we are going in to scan the QR code that we can get in a moment. App Inventor is up and running. Let's get this QR code, scan it with the phone. Okay, now App Inventor and the phone is connected and just waiting for the screen to appear. Okay, we have screen 1 and an empty app, just as expected. So let's fill in this app. We need 3 components. First of all, we need an image to show as a startup screen. Then we need a WebViewer to present the Sway, and we need a clock. We have it here under sensors, clock. Let's drag it into the viewer. The clock we are going to use as a timer for the switching between the startup image and the Sway. This is a standard 1 second or 1000 milliseconds. I will change that to 3000 milliseconds. That's 3 seconds. OK. And image. Let's see, we have a start image over here. We drag the image to the media folder and apply it into the image. So now the image is placed on the upper left part of the screen. I want to get it down here into the middle. We can do that quite easily by going center horizontal and center vertical. But as you can see, it's still in the top. Down here we have the WebViewer, but it's empty because there's nothing in it. Let's just do that invisible, and then we have our app and the startup image in the center. Looking quite nice. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to make a single block to make this image switch away and the web viewer showing up. So let's go to blocks, clock, and get this timer here. Every third second this timer will be called. We are going to image, visible, and we want this to disappear, false, and we want this web viewer where here we go, this way, true. So, and we want to disable the timer because we only want that timer to be fired once. Timer enabled, false. Okie dokie. This is all we have to do. So let's try to see what is going on now. Refresh companion. Image is showing up. When the timer is called, the image is not visible, and the WebViewer component will be visible. But we haven't. We are missing something here. WebViewer need an home URL to go to display something, and this is where Sway is getting in. Create new Sway. We can call this Sway my cool. Yep. And we need a beautiful picture to start. And some pictures. Here. Here we have all the pictures we need to get started. Let's just wait for the images to get loaded. Okay. These pictures can be grouped together. I'm just showing you the basic, very basic of a Sway. Yep. Let's group them together and make it appear in this way. Let's try to see this in action. I want to change the direction of this, going into design, storyline. design, styles, vertical. Yep. And here you can also change whatever you want to change to black and white, I don't know. Okay, this is looking nice. Let's try to see this in action. Yep. This is quite cool. Okie dokie. Storyline, I just want to show you one single really cool feature about this sway. When you go into a picture and hit this one, focus points, you can just hit what is interesting in this picture. See here, we have the two persons, we have the bike. So whenever you when you show this sway on your phone, you don't know how big your screen is. So sway will try to squeeze the picture so that you get whatever is in focus. This is a quite nice feature. Okie dokie. Back to sway. My cool class. Let's get some sharing for this. Anyone with a link can view. Yes, that is exactly what we want. So back to App Inventor. Home URL. Now take a look. This is our app. We can scroll down. We can switch pictures. We can fire up some pictures. And let's try to go to the top and tilt the phone. Now look what happened. Sway is adapting exactly to the way that your phone is showing up. Let's try rotate it back again. Nice. The only thing that I want to change now is the top screen saying screen 1 and this whatever you call that in the top. Let's just kill that. Go to screen 1 and the title and the status bar. In this way we have created a nice looking app with all the abilities of Microsoft Sway. If I go back here, let's just try to do some cool stuff. Let's try to pull in this. You can try to plop it here. That's an video. What I want to show you is that this is highly dynamic, so when this video is uploaded, it will be displayed in our app. But in the meanwhile, let's go back to App Inventor and screen 1 icon. We need an icon for our app. Okay, so the app is finished and up and running. If you want to download your app, you can go to Build App Inventor APK and install it directly on your phone. Or you can put it on Google Play if you want that. Let's see if this is still loading. Now that the video is fully uploaded, let's just check our app and see what it's look like in real life. Connect, refresh companion screen. It's loading, waiting 3 seconds, and showing our cool class app. Let's try to scroll down here. Here we have the video and we have some pictures down here. Let's try start this video. As you can see, it's working like a charm. Okie dokie, thanks for now.